Understanding, a matter of opinion. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, a matter of opinion. This phrase pops up in conversations, debates, and discussions, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and how you can apply it in your daily English conversations. Let's get started. A matter of opinion is a phrase used to express that a particular statement, idea, or belief is subjective and not based on objective facts. This means that people might have different views or opinions about it, and there's no single right or wrong answer. It's all about personal perspectives. To better understand a matter of opinion, let's look at some examples. 1. Taste in music. If someone says, classical music is better than pop music, that's a matter of opinion. People have different tastes, and what's preferred by one person might not be the same for another. 2. Best food. Imagine a debate on what the best food in the world is. One might argue it's sushi, while another says it's pizza. This debate is purely a matter of opinion, as food preferences vary widely. 3. Art appreciation. When discussing the beauty of art, what one person finds moving, another might not understand. Whether a painting is the greatest work of art is, again, a matter of opinion. When you encounter a situation where people are sharing different views, and there seems to be no factual basis to determine who's right or wrong, you can say, well, that's really a matter of opinion. This phrase helps acknowledge the diversity of thoughts and perspectives, promoting a respectful dialogue. Understanding and using the phrase, a matter of opinion, is crucial because it encourages open-mindedness and acceptance of different viewpoints, helps avoid unnecessary arguments in situations where there's no clear, correct answer, enhances your conversational skills by showing that you respect others' opinions, even if they differ from your own. So, there you have it, a complete guide to understanding the phrase, a matter of opinion. Remember, embracing the diversity of opinions not only enriches our conversations but also our perspectives. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.